Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So we're gonna dive into some things with this new unit and my new space. So we're gonna be right back.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Young and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete. When you cheat, we're lose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way.
Welcome back, you guys. As you guys see, I am in a new space. Your girl bought a home. We moved. We are almost settled in. We still have to do a lot of shopping for different things, but I'm taking my time. I'm doing one room at a time. So I focused on the entryway. We did the living room a little bit, and we are focusing on the bedroom now. So I'm excited. I do have a home vlog that is coming out or either came out. I'm having some exporting issues. So keep an eye out for that. You guys will see that video. And yes, we're gonna dive into this wig. So thank you Love Me Hair for sending me this gorgeous unit. It is the Love Me Hair PartingMax Glueless Wig, Loose Body Wave, 7x6 Closure HD Lace, 100% human hair wig ready to go. So this unit is in 22 inches. It does range on their website for about $274, and it does give you the option on the website to get a left C part, a left C part in ombre, or a zigzag part in natural black. So those are some things to keep in mind. This unit did come with a left C part for me, and I did have to go in and touch up the curls a little bit. I do like this unit. I feel like based off of some of the reviews that I saw on the website, you can just, you know, once you wash it, you can pretty much style it as you want. I don't believe the curls will come back. I do believe that it's, you know, pre-styled, but I'm loving the hair. It's soft when I touch it. It's pretty. I'm loving the length. Not too bad. Yeah. Not too bad. I will say that the cap size is like the perfect fit. It doesn't have adjustable straps back there. It has an elastic band that's a non-slip grip, and then it also has an adjustable elastic band back there as well. I do like the cap. It does have a non-grip slip back there, so it doesn't have the adjustable straps, and then it also has an elastic band. It's non-removable, but you can adjust it to your head size for the tightness that you want. It wasn't that hard for me. Like, I love me some plop and goes. This unit is 100% glueless. I did lay a little bit of baby hairs down, which is unusual in my videos, but I just felt like there was like, the way that the C part was made, I just felt like it just needed a little extra something. I do feel like the part needs touched up, literally right here. Sometimes it's hard for me to see when I'm recording if I don't have my contacts in. So I might catch things after I record it. I'm like, dang, I can see this, da, 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 da. But we here to just show you how to put the wig on and make it look glueless. So if I have a mistake, bear with me. But I'm loving this hair. I'm loving the face frame. I do feel like I just need to like recurl this a little bit. But yeah, y'all, this was a plop and go. Y'all know I love me some easy units. I always get my units in like a natural black. Sometimes I'm afraid to play with color, but I don't know. Sometimes I also just feel like color, I don't know. I like to keep it simple. I'm like one of those girls that, like, I love neutrals, basics, and things like that. Cause it just gives like a sleek look. But yeah, y'all, it is big hip friendly. I am loving the texture. The unit is definitely gorgeous. And that's pretty much it. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. I also had to, I did also have to flatten it out just a little bit. I feel like it had a lot of volume at the top, and sometimes I like it to lay flat because I don't want my head to look pointy in wigs. Alright, so I do feel like this unit would do really well with an actual curling iron, and even some like not pin curls, but like roller curls. I think it would do really well with that. I do like the bounciness, I like the touch, it's soft, you know, it doesn't have a smell, all of those good things. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.